And we don't take surrenders.
Picked everybody off finally.
Alright, someone get the handcuffs on.
Oh.
Here. Handcuff them all, hugging a trigger.
Oh God. Is it? Nah, not today. Welcome back to the channel. This is a very tiny squad today, just Nick and I. We are going to play at Future Ball today, and we'll see if we can get some good ass kills and content for you.
Now shut up, clock in, and load up.
Nice. God, I'm a sniper. Two.
You have me.
Where's Nick at? Oh, there you are. I was like, where the hell did you go?
I killed two. Up on the balcony, up on the balcony. You got me.
Jeez Louise, what the fuck? Good thing I wear a helmet.
Balcony up top.
I didn't get it, but it's fun.
Woo! Hey Nick, you actually want to try attacking right with me?
Oh, fuck, hit! That was a good shot.
I think we got a better chance going through the brushes personally. If we suppress the windows and just run up. Hey, can you guys suppress the windows while we run up there?
They're looking windows right now.
Where I'm going.
There's one by the car.
Yeah, come on. House. Oh, hit. Alright.
Fuck, dude. on respawn. Yeah, that's the point.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell. It lets us know that you're enjoying our content and that we can provide some more.